When NOAA initially released their 2022 hurricane season forecast on May 24th, they were predicting an above-average season, and today's August update predicts much of the same. 14 to 20 named storms, 6 to 10 hurricanes, and 3 to 5 major hurricanes, very similar to what they had on May 24th. Now, the projection then was a 65% chance of an above-average season. Today's projection is 60%, so we're still looking at likely an above-average season. Things got underway on June 5th. Tropical Storm Alex formed off the Atlantic coast and stayed in the tropical Atlantic, and then Tropical Storm Bonnie came along. You might remember this one. We were watching it, waiting for it to develop for days, and it finally did so before making landfall in Nicaragua, then crossed into the Pacific Basin and became a major hurricane. It made it up to Category 3 status before dissipating, moving away from Mexico. And then this was a unique storm, Colin. This was July 2nd and 3rd. It actually formed inland over South Carolina and stayed inland for the entire time it was a tropical storm on July 2nd and 3rd, bringing wind and rain to the Carolinas. Now, as we head into August and September, this is when most of the tropical activity occurs every season. So here we are today on August 4th. As we get later into August and September, of course, the peak occurring on September 10th, we'll be keeping a closer eye on the tropics. I'm Alex Forbes, 13 WMAZ News.